What exactly is an independent auto damage adjuster? Understanding the role of an independent auto damage adjuster. Why you should hire an independent auto adjuster for your insurance needs. The independent auto adjuster is responsible for assessing the extent of damages to vehicles and providing a fair estimate of the costs to repair them. The independent auto adjuster will provide an estimate for the cost of repairs. Responsibilities. Conduct an inspection of the vehicle. Determine the extent of damages to the vehicle. Provide a fair estimate for the cost of repairs. Provide a current fair market value of the vehicle, if requested. Conclusion: why you should hire an independent auto adjuster for your insurance needs. Maximize your claim settlement. Provide you with the current up-to-date value of your vehicle. Negotiate with your insurance company on your behalf if need be.